Driver, take away my worries of today and leave tomorrow behind. Oh, dream weaver, I believe you can get me through the night. Oh, dream weaver, I believe we can reach the
We are in Lake Maitland, and Maitland, Florida, and we are fixing to wet a line. Oh, wait. We are Lake Maitland, Florida. We got Captain Kenny here navigating. We're in good hands.
We're all millionaires, like I said.
Yeah.
They got islands.
Well, that's why I'm here, is to check out my property that I'm looking at.
Yeah. They have a house up here for sale.
Do they?
Yeah. Kenny and I were thinking about buying it.
Were you?
We'll have to keep thinking.
Yeah. We'll have to get both families together and all pitch in.
I think we'd have to get a lot together.
This is the Whopper Plopper.
Oh, yeah, I want to see that thing.
It's got like a tail on the back. There,
Uh-huh.
I know.
Oh,
It's got pretty good action.
that thing really makes a racket.
Well, we've caught some nice, some up there about 5-pound range, which is a nice sized bass. We did, usually we start like during the spawning season with live shiners, and then this time of the year, of course, we do all casting and stuff more.
It's Larry's favorite lure. This is called the Moto Minnow. When you cast it, that comes out. Your little tail wiggles. This thing has been out for about 30 years. And I'd always wanted one.
We'll have a surge of people buying them all of a sudden.
Yeah.
That's what happens,
You can only get them online. I smell fish. I should remember.
There might be a bed around here in Bluegill. You've been over to Gander Mountain since they're going out?
Only one.
Yeah, they're getting down on the prices, but they still a little bit high.
Yeah.
They started off so high, that's the trouble.
Here we go.
Hey, you got one on. Fish on.
That's the first fish I've had on the Moto Minnow.
That's working.
Woo!
Oh, yeah.
Come here, baby.
Yeehaw!
Fish on. Oh, that's a nice fighting little thing.
Oh, the lot of fun. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Period.
Oh, that's a.
It's got to be like 14, 15 now.
Yeah, that's about a 2-pounder.
Yeah. Good for size.
That's a first bass on Moto Minnow.
There you go.
Now Larry wants one.
Yeah. Already. 17 inches. Yeah. We run across some shiners and got a few of those wild shiners, and we caught about 8 bass. So they're really, I mean, you put them in the water and that was like candy to them. I do have a big bass at the house that I have mounted. That's the biggest one, but I didn't catch that down in Florida. I caught that up in South Carolina, about 10 pounds. That's my personal best.
I've never actually landed a 10-pounder.
Yeah.
I've had them 8 maybe.
Yeah.
What's your personal best, Kenny? 5 pounds. Tell us a little bit about this here rig.
Oh, it's just a little 17-foot console. We use it for, it's a good all-around little boat. We can do a lot of salt water and fresh water with it. It's small enough to do fresh water, and also we can do some salt water with it. Got into some pretty big waves off coast when we go offshore.
I can vouch for that.
Yeah. Sometimes
That was
we
my little
wonder if,
near-death experience. I had.
you know, we keep having to remind ourselves it's only a 17-footer.
Yeah, I was reminding myself several times.
You get some big waves from other boats. It's not usually the waves, because you can predict them when you're out. But when them great
I
big
couldn't.
boats come by and throw their weights, it's harder to plan. So you got to be prepared for it.
I was doing a lot of predicting when we went out there. Offshore.
When I told him offshore, he knows what offshore is now.
I was predicting who was going to get eaten first. Surely they'd go after Larry, you know.
No.
Got him? Never met a bad fish.
No, there we go. Yeah, he had one hit. And I had
Okay, hold on.
There we go.
He hit. You got one.
My drag's too loose. Oh, I got him. There we go. Oh,
Hit it.
yeah. You were right, Larry.
That's what they tell me. Usually I set the hook so hard sometimes. But on the top water, they're different. I mean, you think with a treble hook, you know, you wouldn't have no problem hooking them, but that's not true.
I will tell you this though. That It's only one time in my life I threw a topwater lure and the bass came out of the water and grabbed it in midair.
In there? That's it.
All I heard was a thud and a rattle, and I hadn't even, I missed it because I didn't have time to set the hook. And I had a witness to that.
Yeah.
Caught it in midair, and I tell you, I probably, I can't tell you how much. This is all we ever did was topwater and worm, and I'd never ever seen a bass do that. At the time,
I had it. You know, I thought I was stuck, and it was the bass.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Almost, Kenny.
you got him?
I know. Had him. Got off.
That's the same fish. He's messing with you.
It just must be a little one. Yeah. Yeah.
Smell it.
Nice. That's his redfish, yeah. Look at the size of that.
Let me see if I.
That's something?
Let me see.
Yeah, that's amazing.
That is incredible. That must have been an experience, Kenny. Whoa, dude. You gotta get a harness for that thing. By the time he got that to the boat, he was built like Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Oh, the barracuda are fun. I mean, they just
I
come
saw
up.
that one. He almost
Yeah,
stopped.
right, yeah.
Did it catch you off guard, Kenny? How long did it take you to get it in? Wow. You made quick work of that one.
First time Larry meets Killer. He's a beetle spin, and I put on a different body. And I caught 5 bass out of a pond. But it'll catch specks or.
That's one that I caught. Well, back out of here.
Oh.
You're probably not going to be able to get it too late. But,
Okay, hold on. We're gonna try this again, Kevin. You're gonna be far to the right. Quick, Kev. Larry's gonna be in the middle. Kenny's gonna be to the left. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Well, Killer only works when the fish are biting. Heck of a dog out there.
yeah.
Except in Kevin's case. He came here to get away from me, and here I
He
am.
followed me like a little puppy.
Get one jump side boat?
Yeah.
Right there. That's what it was. But hey, he hit though, huh? Oh man. Yeah, I think a lot of times they follow it in, and when it's coming up and they think it's getting away from them, then they go ahead and take it.
You cast it, pulls that line out. And it lays on its side.
We have you. Don't you remember those lures that you used to put something in, like Alka-Seltzer, years ago or something, and it
Maybe.
made them. It made bubbles. You would put them, insert them, and they would make a buzz it around by themselves, that you didn't have to do anything.
That was that big one. There we go. Missed it. They must be little ones. See what I'm using. This is a Producto watermelon Mardi Gras, which is like some flakes of buzztail. They're biting the tail. The tail's torn. That's what.
Oh, here's your house here. I told you there was one here for sale for you.
Oh, is that it coming up?
Yeah.
Just sitting there looking at it.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I caught a big rock.
He caught a rock offshore. I thought he had a nice one. Oh, he hit right there.
Did it?
Mm-hmm. See right where Kenny's going? That's where he hit. He ain't bashful to get in my spot, is he? He got it. Kenny's got one on.
Yeah, they're small. That's what it is.
Yeah. That's what it was.
Kenny's gonna pull out the real artillery now. He's gonna smoke you guys.
Her and I were trolling, and that was a big old.
I caught them with the China's pole. And they hit it, the pole just bends double. I mean, they just grab it. I used to see one, I used to fish here years ago, and a guy, he would just keep making circles with his lures. He would,
There we go.
what the hell, get them?
I think that was it.
He was after yours.
Nope.
Got him? Got him? Yep. Yep. We could crawl kind of slow, probably, just
Yeah.
around.
Another one, yeah. A little one, but
All right.
still, hey,
Hey,
little action.
pontoon boat. The thing came out and bit the pontoon.
It actually didn't find
She said it was 15 foot. So even if it was 12, it would be pretty big.
Right, oh yeah.
And the pontoon was taken in water.
They actually did a
And
whole
they actually punctured it. And she put in a DeLand. I'm thinking I may not go to DeLand.
I was gonna let him go anyway. Oh, let him go anyway. This is so nice. Nobody out here today. I just, just really nice, relaxing.
There is. There we go.
All right. Well, that could be a good one. You got that light rod. You saw him?
He ain't bad, I'll tell you that. Whoa, 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 whoa. Damn drag, I can't. Here we go. Whoa. Come on, baby. Whoa. Are we filming this, I hope? Oh, it's not as big as I thought. That's
Nice one.
yeah. You're trying so hard to get out of that dock. Come here, buddy. Come here. He's a fighter.
good size.
There you go, big
Yeah.
one. That beats your other one.
Well, look at what it was on.
Let's see.
Look at that one.
Oh, yeah, baby.
Yeah, that's about a 3 pounder, isn't it? I got a scale right here.
All right.
If you want to know how much it weighs, here, right there. It's the scale. Kenny, I'll get it for you.
Remember I was telling you about the Banjo Minnow up there?
Yeah, that's a man.
Oh, is it the banjo?
Yeah.
I guess what you got.
Yeah.
That's a nice bass. There you go.
Yeah,
That's a nice one.
close to 3, I'd say.
Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, but we'll see.
Get your fish on.
That's
what
a
I
fish
say.
on.
Almost 4. Wow. Almost 4. 3.8.
That's the way to finish up the shrimp. Yeah, then you can put it on. Woo!
That was good.
On that little reel that you have there, I'm telling you, that was a workout. for
I
you.
thought he was 100 pounds. But
Super Kevin already. There's another one schooling out.
and wait till you see the size hook it's got on.
Little itty bitty thing. Oh yeah, it's just hooking into.
Look at that.
Yeah, yeah, it's
It actually held him
a
on.
little Kaylee hook there.
Yeah. Oh, he put up a good fight.
You could have forgot.
For a second, I thought he was 6 or 8 pounds.
That's nice, yeah.
You know, now this is a 6'6" medium action, line 6 to 12. We got Kenny up there now.
You never know, I'm telling
I'm trying to think. I almost can't remember where I cast.
you. You cast way back up.
Straight ahead. Yep, that's where I cast.
Well, Kenny called it. He said there's a bass going after something. He called it before he hit. Yeah, he got a sharp eye. Larry's got a pretty sharp eye as well. He saw a hit out there.
Yeah, I seen something kind of move out there a little bit.
Next time you're on YouTube, look up Banjo Minnow. They got it working it in a tank, and you don't do much. You just let it sink, and no weight, and then you just twitch it. See? Yeah, it just hurts around. Yeah, and it's got like no backbone in it, you know. Got a lot of action. You start wondering, should I have been using that all along? you know?
Yeah, I know it.
Well, I let you catch enough, so I thought I'd better step up my game a little bit.
Now, I just hadn't caught nothing no size, so
I'm getting kind of tired from all these big bass.
the big ones, huh?
Bass wearing me out.
I've seen a lot of them in tournaments, and if they get them into 3 to 3.5 pounds, they're happy. And, most of the time they catch them small ones. And it's like sometimes that you find you don't give one enough chance to work, you know.
Yeah.
And if you keep casting it, it will work. It's just you gotta, you know.
I can't remember how I was working at it. That was a classic.
They hit the top. I'll be putting my Whopper there, huh? Yeah. Here we are, a guy them, and he's catching the first bass. Come on. That's the way it's supposed to be. The guy that's taking him out. Right?
Well,
Your guide there put you on.
Larry, we'll edit this so you make sure you outfish me, all right?
I don't know about that, though. You might have to do a lot of editing.
I'm gonna go home and dig one of these out for Larry. I can just see.
You catch another one, you sold me.
One wasn't good enough. Gotta have two.
Right, that could be a fluke. You know?
Right. No, it's a top one. There's an owl right there on that tree looking at my lure. That owl's like,
Yeah, right there, sitting on the edge, yeah.
he's following my lure around. He knows who's going to get the fish. So.
Where's he at now? Down? Oh, oh yeah, he came down. He came down for it. Got another one?
Trying to get my lure.
Oh. Oh, it came down?
Yeah.
Yeah, I seen it there.
I told you he's following the lure.
No, it's the lure he's following.
That lure's so good, the owls are even after it. I know what I think I'm going to be selling now. Look, he's
Look at it.
He wants to
I've never seen an owl that bold.
Now
Now look, I'm not going to stop fishing just because of it. Could you,
No, I don't want him to get that.
he's hungry. You little rascal.
I thought maybe it's more after the fish, but it looks like he likes the action of the lure.
He sees that tail fluttering. Oh, now we're gonna tear him up. It's a race. Who's gonna get the fish first?
Give him a choice there, Kevin. Hey, he caught the big one of the day.
That's right. You got the large fish of the day award.
You sure did. Yeah, that was a good finish up.
That's it.
It really was.
Me, my buddy Larry, and my other buddy Larry. We just got down to Lake Maitland, and we caught about 8 fish, didn't we?
Yeah, something like that. Yeah.
Of course, I caught the biggest. You know.
Had a lot of hits. I mean, you know, it was a pretty good day.
We tore them up. We got some footage to prove it, though.
Yeah, pretty good fish.
Don't you think?
Go ahead.
We're gonna. I can't wait to see where we're going next.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, we'll get. You know, we'll get out again.
After being offshore, anything sounds good, you know.
Well, they're not a big difference.
The sharks are smaller here.
Right. Yeah.
Thanks for taking us.
Yeah.
We appreciate it.
Yeah.
Had a blast. You see why I brought so many rods now.
Oh yeah.
Thanks, Ken. Thanks for manning the ship. You did a great job. We appreciate it.
Come on, can I do a cartwheel or something? Come on. Come on, you can do it. Something. Cartwheel.
We'll see you later.
We will. We'll have to get together again.
Okay.
All right.
Sounds good.
All right.
That's right.
Either some bass or we'll try something different.
Take care of my truck while you're
Oh, okay.
gone.
do-over. Camera's over here.
Somebody count 1, 2, 3.
Okay, a 1 and a 2 and a 3.
Oh, we did cross, didn't we?
Try to take away my worries of today and leave tomorrow behind. Oh, dream weaver, I believe you can get me through the night. Oh, dream weaver, I believe we can reach the golden light.
Working on some more cool stuff, so stay tuned.